If you wonder if Redmi A5 does have Dolby Atmos, let me quickly show you. As we go into the settings and from here move into the sound and vibration, this is the location where usually the settings for the Dolby Atmos should be, but right here we cannot find anything, and for the additional settings there's also nothing. As we take a look at the search bar and type in Dolby, there are also no results. So let's actually go back from the settings and let's go into the music application, and maybe right here we could find such an options. So let's go right here for the settings, and right here we have some advanced settings, and right here I can't really find anything about the Dolby Atmos. And also we can go into the equalizer, and right here we only have the equalizer, some manual adjustments, but there is no Dolby Atmos. So this means that the Redmi A5 doesn't support and doesn't have Dolby Atmos.